Hey everybody, Andrew Fox here from Zapable. So the year 2020, what a crazy year. Who would have ever predicted that some crazy virus would literally come and shut down the entire world? But here's the interesting thing. While some businesses were literally choked and strangled, other businesses actually soared to heights faster than they had ever dreamed possible. And guess what? All of them had a mobile app. Restaurants with mobile apps enabling takeout orders, their sales literally went through the roof. Then we had online personal trainers. They started selling access to online coaching programs, selling supplements, and even look at Amazon. They hired 175,000 new employees to cope with the demand. And now, my friend, it's your turn to get a piece of what everyone is calling the Great Digital Revolution. So let me tell you how the story all began this year. Earlier in March 2020, we were about to launch our brand new Zapable 2020 mobile app builder. And with the success stories of our past members like Liam, who actually sold over 5 apps, starting at $3,600, over $20,000 of apps sold, or Mike, $1,500 per app, including $129 recurring payment per app per month. We were super excited to see what they could do with the new Zapable 2020 edition. Suddenly, everything changed. An invisible enemy appeared. Yep, a mystery virus struck and stopped the world dead in its tracks. I mean, air travel was literally halted overnight. High street shops slammed their shutters down. There was even wild rioting and borderline anarchy. And the world as we knew it had changed forever, and a lot of wild panic set in. But in the background, something bigger than any of us had ever imagined was underway. The online world grew more in 3 months than it had done in the past 3 years, and people started calling it the Great Digital Revolution. And guess where people were spending a lot of their time? You guessed it, on their mobile phone. And we're talking adults, kids, grandparents, doing everything online. And guess what? While high street shops perished into the night, businesses that already had a mobile app grew faster than they had ever dreamed possible. Restaurants with mobile apps enabling takeout orders, their sales went through the roof. Personal trainers started selling access to their online coaching programs. And even Amazon hired over 175,000 new staff to cope with demand. And now it's your turn to get your piece of this digital revolution. You see, before a mobile app could be seen as a luxury to a business owner, now it's literally a lifeline and can quite literally be the difference between putting food on your table or finding yourself in a lot of trouble. Look, I know the current situation in the world is unfortunate, but you are now in a prime position to help business owners with the potential to profit wildly by selling them exactly what they need. Now, the demand from business owners for mobile apps in 2020 and beyond has literally just reached boiling point. And with the new Zapable 2020 mobile app builder, you now have a huge opportunity to cash in on what business owners need, while providing an invaluable service to the world we know and live in. You don't need any previous tech experience, and with our new progressive web app service, people can access any mobile app without needing to download from the app stores. Zapable 2020 has been designed to help you build mobile apps for business owners that are screaming for them right now. And if you think the last wave of success stories was big like below, 2020 flowing into 2021 is truly one of the biggest opportunities to date. So in our next video, we are going to show you the 3 markets that are screaming to get a mobile app developed right now. We're going to also show you how to use our Zapable 2020 mobile app building software so you can have no tech experience and build apps within minutes. And we're going to show you how much you should charge clients and what monthly retainer fee to charge them. So we're literally going to give you the ultimate done for you agency package with everything you need. So if you like the sound of recurring income and want to build a war chest for the end of 2020 and into 2021 and beyond, trust me, this is for you. Stay tuned for the next video.